Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today's video I will show you how to open control center on your Apple Watch, and this is where you can quickly access settings like battery, airplane mode, do not disturb, flashlight and many more. So it's simple, but sometimes the method can vary depending on the watchOS version or if your screen is busy. So let's go through all the ways to do it. First one is use the side button for watchOS 10 and later users. If you use Apple Watch is running watchOS 10 or later operating systems, then the method is different. So you can open the control center by pressing the side button once. This brings up the control center from anywhere, even if you are in app or on the home screen, it doesn't matter. Now I talk about for watchOS 9 users that can use the swipe up gesture to access control panel. The most common way is to swipe up from the bottom edge of the watch face. Make sure you are on the watch face screen, not inside an app. If you are in app, press the digital crown to go back to the watch face first, then swipe up gently from the bottom edge of the screen. This should open the control center on your watch. Alternatively, tap and hold trick work if swipe doesn't work. Sometimes swiping up might not work right away. If that happens, try tapping and holding at the bottom of the screen for a second and then swipe up. This can help if your finger misses the edge or if the screen is less responsive. For those users who can't access control center, so please exit any app before swiping. If you are inside an app, swiping up won't work. So press and digital crown to return to the watch face, then try swiping up again. In the end, restart your watch if control center won't open. If none of these methods work, try resetting your Apple Watch, press and hold the side button, then break the power slider to turn it off. Now wait for a few seconds and then press the side button again to turn it back on. Now try opening the control center again, and that's it. Now you know how to open control center on your Apple Watch no matter which version of your watchOS you are using. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more Apple Watch tips. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.